Good morning. Today we are walking and talking about dairy. Oh, love the dairy, love the dairy. Okay, so let's dive right in. Butter, king of all dairy. Eat as much as you want. Just make sure you're eating real butter, not spreadable butter. Why is it spreadable? Because it's mixed with oil. Don't do that. If you want spreadable butter, in addition to the butter in your freezer and the butter in your fridge, put a stick of butter on a covered butter dish on your counter. Spreadable. If you look at the carnivores, there's Steak and Butter Gal, there's Dr. Ken Berry, beef, butter, eggs, bacon. The first video I watched, I think, on butter was butter making my pants fall off. You can't eat too much butter. It's not going to put weight on you. It's not. It's good for it's natural fat. So it's good for your brains, good for your hormones. Dr. Elizabeth Wright, eat a stick of butter a day. Ladies, you need it. Okay, moving on from butter. We've got cream. I've already talked about cream at least once or twice. Just make sure it's full fat, heavy cream, and if it's troubling you, it's not lactose. There's no lactose in there, but there might be additives like carrageenan that are troubling your tummy. Sour cream, pile it on your taco meat. Yum, no problem. Yogurt. For the most part, we're eating dairy for the fat, sometimes for the protein. And Greek yogurt is an example where you're going to get a nice dose of protein along with your healthy fat. There is a caution, I don't know why, but you're also getting carbs with your Greek yogurt. Carbs in yogurt. I think it's because you need sugar to make the yogurt bloom. I don't really know. But you do have to read your labels, so watch for your ingredients and look at your macros when you're eating yogurt. But I think it's hard to overeat Greek yogurt. A flavored commercial yogurt, like a fruit flavored one, I'd stay away from those. Look at the ingredient list, nutrition labels, and see if you don't agree. This takes us to cheese. Cheese. Oh, I love cheese. Who doesn't love cheese? So a cheese like a grated Parmesan or cheddar cheese, go for it. There's only one because you got fat and protein. You might have trace carbs if you're cheating and buying the pre-shredded cheese, because they'll have, I don't know, a cornstarch or something in there that they dust it with so it doesn't all clump together. I live with it. I live with a lot. The only drawback to cheese is that it is hyper palatable. That means it's easy to eat too much because it's so delicious. So when I eat eggs, I eat 3 or 4 eggs at a time. When I get to those last 2 bites, I am full. I don't really want another bite. I do finish because I'm a member of the Clean Plate Club. But cheese, there's always room for another bite of cheddar. It's kind of like cake. So you're going to see some people in the keto space swear off cheese or caution you. You have to make that choice for yourself. If you're prone to binging, you might want to step away from the cheese tray. Don't have that first bite. Well, that's pretty much it for dairy. I'm Eileen. I reversed the worst of my early Alzheimer's symptoms through a clean low-carb diet. And that's what I talk about on my new little channel. If you're interested in more tips, check the description below for links. Thank you for spending time with me today. Thank you for liking, sharing, commenting on my video. And until tomorrow, let's all stay strong, wise, kind, and good by choosing good food for good health. Bye.